Now you talked a little bit about mentorship, both receiving it and giving it. Can you tell us about maybe some mentors you've had in the past?
Yeah, so right now I've got two incredible mentors that I'm working with. They've both been in the business for significantly longer than me. When I joined real estate, I knew I wanted to be a part of a team because just like I said, I love to teach and I love being taught. I'm a very learning-based person. And I knew that getting your real estate license is not hard. There's 6 weeks, 9 weeks of class, you take a test, you get your license. Really, anybody can do it if you can pass the test. And I was doing some research before I jumped in because that's my style. And I found out that something like 66% of the people who get their license drop out within the first year. And I was like, I'm not going to be that specific. I need to find people who are going to help me, who want to teach me, because I want to, in turn, work really hard for them. So I interviewed with one woman. I was going to be her assistant, and it didn't really work out. I found this team, and immediately our executive assistant, the team that I'm on now, her and I clicked right away. And I didn't have any experience, and she was just like, we've got really good energy, and I want you to meet the team. And so I connected with them, and she has been an incredible mentor for me. She's not a realtor, but she's just been that energy. Like, no matter what I want to do, she's like, you can do it. Anything you want, just go do it. So having someone, even if it's not necessarily in your field, just like being your hype man is huge. And then Graham is our team leader, and yeah, all of the mentors that I have are just very, very selfless. I think they know that by teaching, we all get better. And so I've been very fortunate to have three really, really incredible mentors who pour into me all the time. So it's been awesome.